Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adam, and if you love luxury fashion, then you're definitely going to love my channel. Today, I am just so excited. You can probably tell this is like the happiest opening that you have ever seen. It was the launch of Fendace, and in this video, I will be showing you everything that I was able to get, and I'm just so excited. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So you already know that I did post my come shopping with my vlog at the actual Versace store featuring the Fendace collection. So if you haven't checked that out, definitely check it out. What I was able to get, I did get 3 items. I did get 1 handbag, 1 pair of clothing, and I also did get a free gift as well, which only very few people got. So I was really lucky for that. So first, let's start with the handbag. Okay, so if you're not new to my channel, you know that I obviously love Versace. I do have quite the Versace collection. So obviously a handbag was definitely an item that I had to get, and even the dust bag for it is just like so cool. I absolutely love the Fendace logo. It's just so cute and absolutely everything. Okay, and the first item, of course, is the La Medusa bag with the Fendi canvas on it. This bag is absolutely everything. This would technically be my 3rd La Medusa. I do have quite the cute collection now, but this one is just so perfect because, you know, it is Versace and it is Fendi. It has the Medusa, like always, for Versace and for La Medusa, and then it does have the F's for Fendi and the Fendi canvas. Now, this is technically called, like, the Fendi, like, Suka print, but I don't know that word that starts with a C, so I just call it the canvas print, and it's just so cute. I personally really love it. At first, I could see that it doesn't have Fendace written back here. The normal one would say Versace, but, you know, since it is canvas, it does make sense. And, of course, I will be doing my close-ups very soon. However, you know, the Fendi print on this is just so perfect. I absolutely love it, and I do have to say that this honestly does look better in person as well, because on camera it definitely does pick up lighter, and in person this is totally like a darker like shade, and it really does suit the bag 10 times more. But altogether, you know, this is just so perfect, one of a kind, and you know, it's just such a collector's item. So just like normal on the bag, it does have a magnetic lock, which I personally really love. So you go ahead, pop that open, and it does look like that on the inside. You can see that I haven't even used this yet. It's still completely brand new. I still have all of the straps and the chain in it. This does come with the La Medusa chain, the acrylic one that goes like this, like down here, and then it does come with the leather strap as well. Personally, I am excited to get a Fendi strap for it because I think it's going to go so cute with it. Okay, and here we have the amazingly cute close-up of the Fendace La Medusa bag in the size medium. This one is just so perfect. I love the detail of the Medusa head with the cute little Fendi F's on the side. Now this one isn't the canvas print, so it will have the Fendi Suka print on it. Really cute. Altogether, this bag is just so perfect, and as you can see, it does go amazingly cute with my brand new bedspread, so another really cute moment. So as usual for the La Medusa bags, these are made out of calfskin leather, really great quality. They are actually really durable, so I really do love that. On the back of it, we do have the Fendi Suka print. So when we open the bag, we can see just how glamorous it really is. I really do love how reflective the F's are, even on the inside of the bag. We do have 2 bullets up here to hold down the top flap of the bag, and it is a magnetic closure, so again, I really do love that. So when you take everything out of the bag, it will look like this. We do have one giant open compartment with one zipper on the back of it, and then we do actually have 2 inside pockets right here, so we can put stuff right here and then right here as well. And honestly, I really am happy that this is leather on the inside. Just because this is a canvas print, I was worried that it would sag quite easily, but because it's leather, it does give it a lot of structure, so that's something that I will never have to worry about. And then back here, I'm not sure if we can be able to see it, but it does say Fendace, so that's also really cute. Really good zip pocket. I really do love it. Of course, I would recommend this bag because I actually do have 3 of these now, so that's also so super cute, and I do love that. And then on the back right here, we even do have the Fendi canvas, so just another cute touch and another cute moment. Now for everything that does come with the bag, we do get the acrylic chain that will go across it, the black leather strap for crossbody, and then of course all of the cute little authenticity cards. Now I will say, I really did want the actual Fendace chain to go with this, but it was sold separately for $850, and there's just no way that I could spend $1,000 just on a chain when this one does come with the original La Medusa strap and chain. So I am happy that this does come with the original straps, so that was definitely a plus. But I would have loved the Fendace chain because I really would have added a cute touch. For the bottom of the bag, it does have feet, so I am really happy about that too. And so here are all my 3 beautiful La Medusa bags. I really do love them all. These are honestly such great bags. I really do love them. We have the really cute lilac one, we now have the Fendace one, and then we do have the normal black one with the super cute twilly on it. And to be honest, so amazing. I honestly cannot recommend Versace enough. They're really, really good quality and at a really good price point, I would say. So to be honest, all of these La Medusas I absolutely love. So 100% worth it, and again, I'm so happy. So the second item I did get was this pair of Fendace socks, and to be honest, these are really, really good. So at the bottom of these are actually a lot thicker than my normal Versace ones. There is a cushion, there is a padding in here, so that's really, really cool. And then they both do have the Fendi print on the very tops. This one underneath will say Fendi, and then this one will say Versace underneath, so that's really cute, and to be honest, I really do like them. Another cute fact is my Versace essay, Nick, he knows that I love, love, love stickers and that I love packaging, so he did throw in these extra stickers for me, and I just thought that was so adorable and just so considerate and so cute. They do say Fendace on them with the cute little logo, and personally, I just love it, and I love that extra fact. So my last item is actually a free gift that I did get, and this made me really happy because only 5 people was able to get this, and since my essay even seen me in the parking lot, he made sure to like reserve one for me. He really did make sure to get me everything he could, so I really, really do love that, and they made the experience 10 times more special for me, so it was really, really cool. This is actually just the box that the gift comes in. It's really cool because this is a magnetic box as well. So, this will be like great for like decoration and packaging. So I love that. So inside, when we, take all of that off, this one actually does have a card as well that just says like thank you pretty much. But we will have some Fendace notebooks. So for a really cute close-up of all of these notebooks, we can see that we have all of the 3 colors. We do have the Fendi print right here in this beautiful, beautiful pink color. I really do love that. The second one is the nice and colorful one, very 90s tribute collection from Versace. And then this one right here is my favorite. I really do love the normal dark brown Fendi print with the tribute collection all over it. So amazingly cute. I really, really do love all of them, and they're just like really, really cool. And to be honest, the details are honestly really cool too. Because like they do have, I don't know what these guys are called. I know everybody keeps saying the word. It starts with a C, but I forgot what the technical word is. But all of the details on this is absolutely incredible. I really do love collecting luxury fashion, so having this in my collection is just going to be like really, really cool. I do feel really lucky to have this, and all together, I am really happy. Now for the inside of these are actually all different. So when you open them up, it will have like the main color. This one, for example, just say Fendace at the bottom, and this one we do have some wide lines in there. And then for the second one, we do have, let's see, it's black. And then I haven't opened this one yet, so let's see what we have. Oh, and then it seems to be some type of a grid. So, we have a grid notebook, maybe for like sketching designs. And then in this one right here, we do have a yellow opening. And then let's see, oh, just nice and plain inside. I really like that. These are honestly all really, really cute. I'm so happy. And like, yeah, all together, really, really great purchase. And then even the receipts are in this cute little envelope, and this honestly reminds me of a golden Willy Wonka ticket, so even these packagings are just so, so cute. Really great for decoration. I really love it, and I love how reflective it is too. I love, love, love the golden black. So even like the packaging, I really do love it. So when it comes to the collection, there's only a couple things that I did not get. One of the items was this blue denim baguette bag, but the reason I didn't get it is because on the runway it did have this style, but they did end up changing it. So the denim bag that they ended up selling, I personally just wasn't into it. So honestly, that did kind of make me a little more relieved because, it was just like one less item to have to get. So that was really nice. And then another item was the silk pajama set. I really, really did want the silk pajama set, but if you've seen my come shopping with me vlog, you know that I said it just didn't fit me the best. Not the actual fit, but the look of it. I just didn't feel like as confident as I should have in it. It was so super cute, but it just personally was not for me. So I did pass on that as well. And then also the micro baguette. So I never planned on getting it, but since I have the La Medusa, I really wanted this one just to hang off the side of it, because to be honest, I can't close it. Honestly, none of the Fendi baguettes, I can never get them to close. It's like the hardest thing for me. They just will not button. Personally, I need a twist lock or a magnetic closure, and all the Fendi baguettes, they just have a button closure, so it just didn't personally work the best for me, so that's also an item that I did pass on. I did really love the blue jacket that I did try on, and I believe everybody can kind of agree. nobody has told me to buy something more than this blue jacket, and it is really cute, but I feel like it's just more of a blonde hair moment, and I will be going back to my black hair next month. So personally, this is just not an item that I would wear forever, and it would be very, very like temporary for me. So definitely not an item that I would want to invest my money in. From the Fendi side, there was two items that I was kind of interested in. There was this cute little cosmetic pouch, and I did like it, but I kind of feel like I'm just buying it because the collection gets me excited. But to be honest, I wouldn't really use this. It would just kind of be there for decoration. There's a lot of other cases that I do want, so just because it's so super beautiful, I decided not to get it. One item that I really did wish that I did end up getting though, the only item that I would actually really want that I did not get would be the Fendace hoodie. Now personally, I never expected this to come out until like the last moment. That's when I seen it. I really did fall in love with it. I really would end up loving it, and I still think I might actually get this. I might end up actually purchasing it, so that's still possibly to come this year. And then two items that I did not get, but I did really like once I seen them, was this mini peekaboo. The mini peekaboo was just so cute. I really did love the print on it, but to have a mini bag that size and for that price, it's just not for me. It's really cute to actually in a collection, but maybe one day if I was ever to get it just for a collector's piece, I definitely would, but definitely not at the moment. And another item I considered was the blue La Medusa bag. Now this one was just so cute, but this would just mainly be to collect, and just to have it to collect, again, I didn't want to spend my money on something that I'm not going to use every single day, and I like really absolutely love it and I'm obsessed with it. It's really cute to look at, and again, a great collector's piece, but maybe one day I'll buy stuff just to mainly collect it. But like I said, I did get everything that I mainly wanted, especially my La Medusa bag, so I'm so happy overall, and I'm happy. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you like and subscribe, comment down below. Stay tuned for a lot more videos coming this week, and have a great day. Au revoir.